Am I supposed to shoot first back here or him?
Y'all can shoot at the same time.
Okay. So yeah, there you go.
That takes a little getting used to.
All right, guys. Hit him again.
Got him.
There you go. Hell yeah.
That's so awesome.
If you'll start from the back and work your way forward,
Sure.
you can murder every one of them. Oh, I guarantee you we can find the other couple.
Oh.
Hey! Nice shooting, guys. Is he down?
Yeah, he's
Now he is. Cut him off. All right. Another hauling ass.
Damn! Jesus!
Jeez. Oh man. That one's dead as a doornail. The second one.
You smoked those things.
I didn't get a shot off back here, buddy. Get him?
Oh yeah.
That was an ugly one, huh?
That was.
Big one.
Take him out of the gene pool.
All right. He's still moving?
Yeah.
He's dead.
Thank you, sir.
There you go. Right behind on our left, yeah.
There you go.
Let you.
We got a bacon bed over here.
All right. Got him.
Yeah, he's dead.
He did.
Here you go. There's two more.
He did. Good shot. That's a bunch of piglets.
All right, when ready.
Oh, it was on that stage. It was halfway. That's what it was. It was right in the middle. I wonder what I was doing.
You got to buy the first round of beer for that.
Yeah. That's an amateur move. No. Damn, we did good on that one. On those.
Y'all are getting it now.
Getting it. Getting in the groove.
The regulars.
Where'd he go? He's somewhere over here.
There he is. No, that's here.
Those are
There he
deer.
goes, right here.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know if that's the same one you're talking about. Shot.
It went in.
Yep. That's it.